This is quite possibly the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at all the baby mantises coming out. They're hatching right now. Oh my God, they just squeeze out of there. This is insane. Look at them. Welcome to the world, little babies. Welcome to the world. Oh my goodness. Seriously, I could just sit out here and wait for every last one of them to come out. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Welcome everybody. Look at them all coming out. This is wild. Oh my gosh. Huh. This is so stinking cool.